I thought we'd have a look at some adjective and verb combinations today. Adjectives and verbs that often go together. For example, scared is the adjective, to talk is the verb. You can put them both together and make a sentence. I was scared to talk to my boss. Between you and me, he was a bit frightening. You could put eager, the adjective, together with the verb to start, put them together, make a new sentence. Jane was eager to start her new job. You could put happy together with to see and make a new sentence. Julie was happy to see her friend. And you could put the adjective sad together with the verb to hear to make the sentence, they were sad to hear the news. English grammar, the verb to be plus an adjective plus a to infinitive. Easy peasy with a little bit of help from Uncle Jeff. See you next time. Bye for now.